So what I did was just make a roux. I melted some butter and some flour down and cooked
What's
it
a
for just
roux?
a
I ain't
little
never
bit
heard
to
of
get
that.
that flour taste out of it. Then I added to it some milk, and if it starts to look a little
Okay, I
too thick
do
for
like
you, just
milk in
add
my
a little
mac
bit
and
more in
cheese. It
there.
makes it really
And then to
creamy.
give it an extra zing of flavor,
Oh, girl,
I
you
like
just
to
dropped
put
that whisk in that pot.
Dijon
Oh, that's
mustard.
unsanitary. I don't know if I can eat after her.
And then you want to season this
Wait, did
with
she
a
just put mustard
nice
in this?
helping of salt. And will you whisk all that pepper?
Y'all love y'all some
Now,
salt
if
and
you don't
pepper,
like to see the
Jesus.
little bits of black pepper in there, you can also use white pepper.
What?
And then
Girl,
you
that
can
is
add
not a
whatever
thing.
your
Who says
favorite
they don't want to
cheeses
see
are.
their pepper in
I'm
their
gonna use some
food? Child,
Gruyere.
pepper is
I like
pepper.
the nuttiness of that. It's a great melting cheese. And
Oh,
then
we
just
putting
some
Gruyere
classic
and cheddar in
cheddar.
this?
You know, I
That's a
love
bougie
cheddar
mac and cheese.
So once the
I'm going to have to
cheese
make this
melts,
because I'm bougie.
let's add to it our mac, the pasta.
Why she over there dancing?
Yeah.
Lord, I hate people that sing and dance every time they do something. Girl, just put the damn pasta in there.
Cooked in salted boiling water.
Oh, that looks so good.
I could just eat that right there. Look at that.
Hold on, what are y'all doing?
Nice and roast.
It's 400 degrees
Oh!
dice and a little
Don't you put them Brussels sprouts and squash in there?
a little garlic and a little
Oh!
salt and pepper.
Fantastic.
This is a disgrace.
It's done.
Oh!
Pretty.
I don't even like vegetables in my chicken Alfredo.
Crunchy top. Dressing.
Oh, what happened to the black lady? Black lady, come back. Come back and fix this.
Stuffing or regular stuffing?
Oh! What is that? When did white people start liking cornbread all of a sudden?
Right here.
That's a black person thing, I thought. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Y'all didn't even put it in the oven. I should have known this was going to be some bullshit.